recording. Woo, you gotta hold on to me tight, buddy. Oh, stopped.
Huh? Huh? Mama, is it Mama's holding my bag?
Yeah, Mama's holding your bag.
Mama's over there.
Mm-hmm.
If Mama go back here, she'll go back over here.
Yeah. Look how far up everything is.
Everything is far.
Yeah.
Look at the view.
I know. Look at the mountains.
I can see all the way back there.
There's a nice pool way down there.
Oh, I can see it too.
Looks like there's some buzzards.
Hey, hold on to me.
I am holding on to you.
The little goes all the way over there, then turns over there. That bird goes over there, and then turns over there.
I'm holding on tight to you.
I'm flying. No, I'm not. I think I can almost see our car from here. Or if that's our
You can
car.
almost see our car? I think you probably can see our car. Here's a
Wait, is that our car?
clock bell. That's not our car, silly. Hang on to your shoes.
Why?
If they fall off, you won't be able to get them back up here.
You're right. What if they fall off and tumble all the way down to the lake?
I know. The stream? Yeah.
If your shoes fell off down to the lake, you gotta try to get them. What if my shoes fall off right after the lake?
Mm-hmm.
They don't tumble into the lake. They just tumble across the street and they don't get ran over. And then they
It's going to be bad no matter which way you look at it.
Remove it right down. Move. Hi there. Hi there.
Ripley's, believe it or not.
Where?
We're parked over there somewhere.
Where's the Ripley's, believe it or not?
That yellow and orange building right ahead of us.
Oh.
Wow. Could it be a prettier day?
What's it? Yeah, could it? Well, it could if there was a rainbow in the sky. But there is not a cloud in the sky.
Where there's a rainbow, there's rain, right?
Hey, look. What's that up there?
That's another trolley thing.
That doesn't look like a trolley thing.
It doesn't look like a trolley?
What's a trolley? That's a blue thing there.
Oh, blue thing. I don't know what that is. You see the thing that's coming down the mountain? That's another trolley. That's an enclosed. Oh, sorry. Bumped you in your head.
What's that enclosed?
Oh, look at that pretty little river down there.
Wow. Now it's prettier here.
Yeah.
It just got prettier. And my shoes just fell off right there. I can't.
He's flying.
I can't. I'm going down.
You're going down? Where are you going down? You're all going down.
Can't go down. Can't fly. Can't fly. I can't fly. I need to go up. I can't fly. Stop. Stop. To go fly. Stop it. Stop. I can fly.
All that stuff that was so far down is now above us. Woo!
Right. Now above us.
We're getting there.
Look at how tall that tree is. Oh.
See Mama back there?
Uh-oh. Oh, wait. You can't put your shoes in the lake. You're just flying.
Can't put your shoes in the lake.
But that gate is in front of you.
No, you don't want to put any shoes in the lake.
But that gate is in front of you.
Oh no! Right.
If you're on the top of the gate, they do fall off.
There's the stream. That's pretty, isn't it?
Okay, where's the fishies? Where's the fishies?
You don't see fishies? I don't see any fishies either.
They're really tiny. You can't see them. I think I see a shark over there.
See a shark?
No, but I'm just higher than that shark there.
That's weird.
But it's this far away, I can't see it.
See a shark in the stream? Is that what you said?
But it's far away, I can't see it.
Yeah.
The stream is too shallow for it.
I'm holding on to you.
No, don't let me go there.
I'm not gonna let you go anywhere.
Don't let me crash over there. It'll make me crash over
If you fall now, you hit one of them rocks. And that would probably break the rock with your head.
That hard. If you break the rock with, hey, you got strong shoes, but you break the rock so hard.
Yeah, exactly.
It'll hurt.
Mm-hmm.
Badly. If you fell off on the grass, that won't make you hurt. If you fell off on the grass, that won't make you hurt.
If you fall in the grass, he won't hurt as bad. Is that what you're saying?
If you fell on that big rock, that will hurt. What if you land in that pool?
All right, we're almost here.
What if you land in that pool?
Now, whenever he tells you, you got to lean back so we can lift up the thing. Jessica, you gonna take care of lifting up the bar?
Okay.
All right.
Hold on to your shoes.
Prepare to unload. Hang on to your shoes.
3, 2.
All right.
3, 2.
Now listen to him. Ready?
3, 2.
Lean back. Raise the bar up. Good.
3, 2.
Get off right here and walk that way.
Whoa!
Alright. Yay! Woo! That was fun, wasn't it? Now stand here. Come back over here. Hey, come here. What are you doing? Goober? Get hit by a car.
There's cars out here, buddy.